Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make veg donuts at home. Gather ingredients, choose baking or frying, and prepare a dry, seasoned vegetable base. I will walk you through mixing batter, shaping donuts, and achieving consistent cooking times. You will learn simple swaps for gluten-free flours, dairy-free options, and crisping tricks to keep donuts light. Follow my step-by-step pacing and tips to make reliable batches easily. Start by measuring and organizing ingredients for smooth workflow and consistent results. Grate vegetables finely and press out moisture until the mixture holds together without being wet. Combine flour, egg, and seasonings gently to avoid tough donuts, then fold in vegetables until just mixed. Rest the batter briefly while shaping tools are prepared. These steps prevent soggy centers and promote even cooking, giving you dependable texture and flavor. Form donuts consistently for even cooking and a pleasing presentation in every batch. If using a pan, fill wells about 2/3 full to allow rise. If frying, maintain steady oil temperature to prevent grease absorption. Cook until golden and just firm, then transfer to a rack to cool slightly so exteriors stay crisp. Finish with savory glazes, yogurt dips, or fresh herbs to complement vegetable flavors and serve warm.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.